Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel or whatever platform you're watching these videos on. So today I'm going to be explaining to you how to install Python on your Windows PC. So specifically on Windows PC. So first off, I visited python.org, then I'll go to download, then I'll click on download Python for Windows. So I have it installed already on my system, so I don't need to download it. Or alternatively, you can come to the Windows Store, which I would recommend to come and download it here, which is Python 13, or you can download any of these versions depending on the one you want to use. But I'll suggest you download the latest version. So the latest version is Python 13. So if you've installed it, to check if it is installed, you click here and search your command prompt cmd. So you search for command prompt on your laptop, on your system, PC, and you type Python version. So when you click enter, as you can see, you can see Python version written here, Python 3.30.2. So that's the Python version that is installed on this PC. So now to test your Python, you can do something like you write Python. So when you write Python like this and click enter, it allows you to write single line Python codes, like short version of Python code that is just on one line. So to do that, you can just do something like this. So you can just do something like this. Print hello to me. So if I click enter, you can see it printed hello to me. If I do something like this also, x equals to 10, and I say print x, see that I print 10. I can also perform simple arithmetic calculations like 29 plus 29. You can see you get 58. So that's that. So now I know most of the time you won't want to be doing something like this, writing short Python files like this, scripts like this. You want to write the longer ones that you save on your desktop and stuff like that. So to do that, you just go to your Windows and search for IDLE. So which is Python. It's like a environment for writing Python code. So when I click on it, it's open. So now you can see that it still has this line that I can just use to write one line of Python code. But to write actual Python code, you just create a new file, and on this new file I can write something like hello, okay, print hello to me, close brackets. Okay, I forgot to put this in a quote because it's a string, so I have to put this in a quote. So hello to me. So I have to save this file. So I'll be saving it on my desktop. So let me just name this intro.py. .py is the extension for Python. Anytime you want to save a Python file, you use the .py extension. So when you click save, you save it. Then come back here. So to exit this, you just say exit, and you create a bracket and click enter. Then you exit it. So to be able to access this intro.py, you just write Python and space, then the desktop, that's the directory where I save this file. So I'll just say intro.py. okay, you can see, okay, I have an error here, I think because I put space here. So let me save this now and try it once more. So let me copy this and put it again. Okay, unexpected indents. Okay, there's a space here. Now it should work because Python is very case sensitive. So let me try that once more. So you can see there's no more error. The reason why there's error is because there was a space in front. So Python is very case sensitive. So you want to be able to, it doesn't allow you to keep space around and around. So you have to like make sure that there are no white spaces in your code. So you have to write it. Make sure you be careful when writing Python code. So that's that on how to install Python on your system. I can also try something like this: x equals 20, y equals 15. So you can just say print. Okay, let me do something like z equals x plus y. So from here, I'll just say print z. So if I save this and I come back to my stuff and I paste this here and I click enter, you can see I have 35. So that's it. And also to be able to comment in your Python code, you can do something like this using the hash and say this is a comment. So save that. So that's how to comment on Python. So that's that on how to install Python on your Windows PC. Though it's much more similar to how to install it on your Mac, on a Mac device, but just few changes. So that's that about that. And for future purposes, I won't be using this to write my Python code in the future videos I'll be making. I'll be using VS Code, in which I'll drop a video on how to use VS Code, because I won't need in VS Code, I won't need to start opening the command prompt because VS Code has its own terminal already. So if I come here and I right click and I say open with code, which is VS Code, I can run it on the VS Code terminal. So if I say run here, you can see, okay, let me clear this. So let me try and run it again. You can see it's faster. So anything I'm working on, I can easily run it on my terminal in VS Code. Though I might be dropping a video on how to install Python on your VS Code and the things you need to do and things you need to add to it. So that's that about installation of Python on your Windows PC. I hope this video is clear enough, and if you have any question, you can drop it below in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with anybody that you think might need this video. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye.